Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be looking for an apartment in Manhattan, right in the middle of it all. $1,500? Let's go. Okay, after a little bit of sprawling out, I think I found a good spot. Let me just check the commute really quick on this. Ooh, 12-minute walk? Nope, no thank you. Okay, this looks like a pretty good contender. Let me just take a quick look. No heat, the locks don't work, haunted for 210. Free utilities! Oh, well, sometimes it's just love at first sight. And here we have a bucket. Save for later. Who the hell neglected to tell me they're selling the Chuck E. Cheese in Brooklyn? Oh wait, this is actually kind of in my price range. And it's also in Chernobyl. What the fuck?